Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This one right here is Minnie. I think she wants to come over here. I think so. And today I want to show you this foldable stainless steel cat litter box that this brand sent to me for the video. I think it is fantastic for a few things. Number one, for traveling, for I can't like this. For traveling, I think for traveling, it's really good because you can actually drop it in the trunk of your car, your truck bed, or your SUV, and whatever. And whenever you're kind of like traveling with your cats, you can use this one, unfold it, and let them use it, and then put it back in your car if you want. Just like drop everything, of course, and put it back in your car, folded. And also, it is a stainless steel, so meaning that for cleaning purposes, it's gonna be much better than plastic, which I think it is really good. Kind of like the base is made of stainless steel. Size wise, this is 20 by 16 by 15, so it's quite big, I have to say, but it's for small to medium sized cats, big ones too, but this is not a gigantic. So for big cats, so we have 4 cats at home. Minnie is one of them, and we also have 2 males that are 21 and 22 pounds. Those are big cats, and I think they will be fine with this one. But if you have a big cat, it may struggle just a little. So let's actually unfold it, put it together. Everything is explained right here. You're not gonna need this. It's super easy, and then we'll go from there. So here's how it gonna work. Actually, it also comes with this, as you're gonna see, and you will have this convenient drawer with the stainless steel, as you're gonna see right here, for just dropping all that waste on the cat litter. So I think that's actually really good. You're gonna have the lid over here. Let's put it on the side, and then once you're here, you're gonna unfold this part, which is super easy to unfold, as you're gonna see, super easy, and then you're gonna put it on top. Just make sure that everything is kind of like aligned, and you're gonna put it just like here. Make some pressure. Just remember that everything needs to be aligned with the rest of the actual cat litter. So let's actually bring this one right here and put it. It's not super easy at first, so I may actually have to cut the video, do it on the side, and just come back. Okay, that was not super bad. You gotta put some pressure on the sides and just make sure that then when you're done, you put this locks over here that goes right here on the side once you're done, just to make sure that everything makes contact. And that's gonna be it. So that's gonna be part number 1. And once, just remember, you have this over here, and then once you're done with that, you're gonna put the top of the lid, which is gonna be just, again, a little bit complicated, just not much. Make sure that everything is making contact, and then just press. And once you're done, you should be all set with this part over here. And then optional, you have this. Remember to put it through first, because this one is for them to push. So once you put it on the sides, just make sure that makes contact with the little hole over there, and you're all set. This one is for them to push, as you're gonna see over here. So they have 2 access points, one here and one right here on the top of it as well. Let's take a closer look. So you have the top section right here. You have all this breathable lid over here as well for odor control. And then you have the lid, as you're gonna see, of course. And then last but not least, you're gonna see the sides over here. And of course, the drawer over there where you're gonna put all that cat litter just right here, and use it this way. When you gotta clean it, you use it that way, and that's gonna be it. Well, we have our test subject over here. So once they're inside, we didn't put any cat litter because I need to get them kind of like accommodated to that first for them to use it. So I didn't want to actually waste any time with the video, but you know that works perfectly. As I was telling you before, she's a medium-sized cat. So once they're done, once they're in and pushing this lid over here, they're going to actually leave from this place over here, from the top part, which is actually how it works. But yeah, I have to say that this one, for traveling purposes, or if you lack of a space, this could be really good. And she keeps like popping up from there as well. But yeah, this one could be really good for those purposes. And of course, working really good to medium to small size cat with this size, with the stainless steel drawer, this one right here for you to use. And of course, access points and breathable as well. I like it. It seems that she likes it. So let's try it out. And yeah, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.